In this video, I'm going to show you how to make subtitles in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, have some audio inside your Premiere Pro, of course, alongside with some video. This is just a short audio clip I pre-recorded in here. It's nothing important. And then what you want to do is go up here to Window, go down here to where it says text, and make sure this is enabled. Okay, so if you go over here, it has to, it has to be over here on the left. You have to see this text button. Okay. And then what you first want to do is go where it says transcript, select this audio, and click transcribe. This will start transcribing your sequence, which can take a little while depending on your PC specifications. And then once you've done this, you want to go inside the captions and click create captions from transcript. And then subtitle default, you can choose this to whatever you like, and you can also change the captioning preferences. So the format, the style, the maximum length in characters, and minimum duration in seconds, and the gap between captions, so frames, and if you want single or double lane. And then all you need to do is click transcribe and create captions, and this will start firstly start a language pack download in case you don't have it download from your Adobe Cloud yet. And after that, it's going to create your captions, and there you go. You've got yourself subtitles inside your Premiere Pro project.